Is Windows failing to load because of the wldap32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To kick off the wldap32 walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the wldap32, the Win32 LDAP API library. It provides unmanaged routines for making directory service queries. It manages the data link between the localized client and the Active Directory or LDAP server manifest. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files such as wldap32.dll. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including wldap32. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't restore your connection, we need to reset the network stack and clear the protocol cache. First, open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. East, type n.etsh, space int, space ip, space reeset, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh, space winsock, space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs manage the plumbing of your internet. Resetting the stack clears out corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A vital technical reminder: modifying wldap32.dll manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing wldap32 library references. To support our technical team and receive updates on wldap32 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.